So we're told that f of x equals x to the fourth times the sine of x times tangent x. And what we need to find is f prime of x, or the derivative of x. And since this is a composite function, I'm going to let this part be u and this part be v. So to use the product rule, it'll be u prime v plus u v prime. Just to stay organized over here, if u equals x to the fourth times sine of x, then its derivative, u prime, will involve the product rule. And these are my parts. So the derivative will be 4x cubed times the sine of x plus x to the fourth times cosine x. V, which I've defined to be tangent of x, then v prime must be secant squared x. My pen. Secant squared x. So now that I've got my parts, I can start substituting. I know the derivative then must equal u prime, so this messy thing, 4x cubed times the sine of x plus x to the fourth times cosine x, and all of that is going to be multiplied by v, which is tangent x, plus u, which I said was x to the fourth sine x, times v prime, which is secant squared x. Now this is the derivative, and on the AP exam I would stop here, but in order to match things up with a textbook answer, we just need to simplify to match it up. And the first thing is to recognize that tangent of x is equal to sine x over cosine x. And this is going to stay the same, so I'll leave that alone. And when I distribute in sine x over cosine x, I'll have 4x cubed times sine squared x times 1 over cosine x. And 1 over cosine x is equal to secant x. So this simplifies down to 4x cubed sine squared x secant x. When I multiply x to the fourth cosine x times sine x cosine x, the cosine x's divide out, and I'm left with x to the fourth times the sine of x. And the last part, nothing really changes, so I'm left with x to the fourth sine of x secant squared x. So there's two issues with this problem. The first is, can you take the derivative, and the second part is, can you simplify?